for my Cheeky Studio December kit unboxing, December 2018 kit unboxing. And I wanted to show you what I have left of the November kit before we started. So I keep my current kits in the box and then that they come in, and then any remnants go in an iris container, and I can show you that. So anyway, so here's the remnants of my November kit. I killed it. I said that I love that kit a lot. I think I pretty much killed the kit in the first 2 weeks I had it. I actually had most of the kit gone before my first video even went up. So anyway, that's how much I loved it. I just grabbed my kit, so this is, it's actually a Recollections box, but it's an iris container basically. And then, so I have, like, here's all my flowers and ephemera packs. There's some things that I've bought, you know, just on my own, like some of the wood veneer and some of the flare and that kind of stuff. And then underneath is just where I keep my paper and, you know, any alphas, anything like that that I have left over. I keep my tissue paper that it's wrapped in because I use that quite frequently. So that's what it looks like for me. So let's get moving on to December. And I opened up the box here. I ran this morning and my reward was that I got to open this. So here we go. Because I was on the treadmill this morning and I don't like the treadmill. All right. So here it is, and I'll get rid of this. So here's our the little Cheeky label here, and then the tissue. Oops, and there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the tissue here. Oh, this is exciting. It contains a stamp. So let's go there first. So the name of this kit is Christmas Beauty, and this is the Wild Whisper Christmas Comfort stamp. So it's a 4x4 stamp. It says all is calm, all is bright, snowflakes, wishes, Christmas, fa la 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 la. There's a star, Mary, a present, and some holly leaves. So that is awesome. Love it. Or that might not be a holly leaf, but it's a leaf with berries. Oh, that's so cool. Awesome. And then I love how Tuesday and Bab do this. I don't know who's actually packing these, but they tape the stuff down because that way then you don't have to worry about if anything happens to it. They also pack all the papers in plastic because my last kit actually got wet and I had no damage to it because of how well they pack it. Okay, so then these are the Christmas Beauty cut apart circles here. So those are really cool. I'm going to take this out. Sorry guys if you had to listen to that, but so then you can just use these. I think these always work with a 1-inch circle punch. So there's some photorealism here and then just icons and things like that. So I can tell this is going to be the floral theme, which I'll do that in a second. This makes me excited because I love Tuesday's flair. Always. And I'm trying not to wreck the package, but it's going to happen. Okay. So there's 2 pieces of flair in here. One is a holly leaf, and then the other is a black and white gingham. So that's awesome. And then it looks like, look at this cute little piece of washi. I always love that. This will be fun to like do a sequin pocket or something. You might see this in my December daily. Anyway, so then we have like, it's twine, but it's really thick. It almost has a chenille-like feel to it in just a really nice, beautiful kind of olivey green to go with all your Christmas stash. Then I think I'm going to do the paper first before I get into the ephemera, because otherwise I spread the ephemera all out and then it's hard to get into the paper. And I know some of you don't like packages being opened, but I want you to see my real-time reaction, so that means the packages have to get opened. Okay. Ooh, I can feel something interesting under here. So this is a Wild Whisper paper here. We had this in September with the book collection that was just awesome. So this is the first piece, and the collection is called Christmas Comfort. So this is the cut apart sheet here. Really kind of cool colors. I don't know if this is true about all Wild Whisper, but they almost have a little bit of a Native American vibe, and I think they're a company out of Canada, so that kind of makes sense. Really cool colors, very deep saturated colors. So that's that side. Then this side, oh, this is cool. So it's like a wave pattern that says it has Christmas things like better not pout, pour, good tidings of comfort and joy. The weather outside is frightful. So this is cool. Then this is another sheet. This sheet looks like snow. I already know what photo I'm going to put on this. So there's a snow photo, little present border there. And then this again is Christmas comfort. And then this is packages. So really saturated colors and a little bit different than the normal Christmas colors. There's definitely red, and I think there was green in here too. Yeah, there's red and green in here, but they're different. So that's kind of cool. Something a little bit different. So that's that side. Ooh, this is awesome. So this is like a star, red kind of star pattern. And there's this cute little like trucks with trees on them. And then here's the B side. That's a great, super usable plaid there. I should be holding these up for you guys. Sorry. Let me quick. So that's the wave pattern paper. There's the snow paper. Not that you couldn't see this. And then the present paper. Okay. So there's the plaid and the red pattern. Okay. Then here's the leaf that's in the stamp. That's cool. It's on like a neutral background. Oh, and that's awesome. So this is a photo reel pine trees that really goes with, there's a photo reel picture in that goes with. So there's the pine trees. And, okay, so that was B side. Oh, and this is just nice. This simple fa la 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 pattern, just in black and white. So that goes with anything. I love the finish on these papers. And then it has like that, I don't know exactly what that is, but so it reminds me of a Native American, something you'd find in Native American art or culture. Oh, and that cute little border now appears in this little truck print. I am so taking a picture of my Christmas tree and putting it on this. Even though I don't have a real tree, it's okay. So that's darling. Now I'm previewing what you're going to see me use. And then this is cool. This is a burlap paper. Oh, I can see what's under here. I'm very excited. Okay, there's the burlap paper. And then it has a fa la 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 border. And then the back side is, it almost looks, yeah, it's an arrow. So now I can see what that is. It's a photo reel arrow. All right, so that's cool. And then the nice thing about these is they always have this little like color thing on the Wild Whisper papers so that you can pull your cardstock pretty easily. And then last but not least is this darling, I'm going to just grab the box so you can see it because it's white, this darling gold dot transparency. Oh, I'm so excited. I've used things like that before. I love those. So that will be fun for me to use in something. Okay, so that is all of the papers. Then we have the package of gorgeous ephemera to do. And I love these. You know, I didn't use like flowers and like this anyway as much. And I really have come to love doing this. So look at this. And I love these because Tuesday just loads these. So there's beautiful roses. Oh my gosh. These are, oh, I love the Autumn Ephemera pack. I love this one as well too, for different reasons. My granddaughter was wearing a burgundy dress that you saw in my November, my November layouts. That would look really great with this. Kind of hoping she's wearing some burgundy on Thanksgiving. Maybe I'll talk to her mother and say, can you please dress her in burgundy so I can, you know, scrapbook her? And of course, I'm not going to do that, but so some journaling spots. I love these. I always love these floral circles that Tuesday does. Some labels, lots and lots of florals. And these will go beautifully, obviously, because they're designed to work with these papers. So, like, look at that. Love, love, love. Tuesday, you have outdone yourself with the florals again, as usual. Everyone I see. So that's the ephemera pack. So guys, if you're not part of the kit club, you definitely can subscribe to this one. You can just go to the Cheeky Studio Studio website. I'll have that information in the description. You also oftentimes can buy the ephemera and other pieces to this separately, just so that you know that as well too. So I will provide any links for those things in my unboxing as well. Don't forget, by the way, that you can, if you place an order, get 10% off by using the code Kelly10. It's Kelly 10. I'll put a reminder of that at the end of the video. And it's going on everything except for the kit, okay? All right, guys. So I can hardly wait to get to it and start working with these. I'll be back with a layout with Cheeky Studio products soon. Bye.